Welcome to Bubbl, where travel meets true friendship and unforgettable adventures begin. Whether you're hitting up a festival, working your way remotely around the world, or planning your next ski holiday, Bubbl connects you with fellow explorers looking for the same type of experience as you. It enables all of you to stay together in the same accommodation and share the experience, which we call a bubble. If you like the convenience of just showing up and enjoying the travel experience, then you will love being a traveler on Bubbl. You'll be able to find bubbles based on events or vacations you're looking for and spontaneously meet new people. You'll also be making your travel budget go further. Anyone can create and host a bubble. It's super simple. Bubbl manages all of the logistics like room assignments, payments, and communications. Bring your own group or recruit other bubblers from our platform. Just create your bubble listing and travelers will apply to book their place in your bubble in a private or shared room, making the trip more social, affordable, and fun. Join the Bubbl community today to unlock your passport to infinite travel adventures to stay together and share together.